Hey everyone, this is Scott with Bolted On, and we're here at Beta in Paso Robles, and we're going to show you how to install our new Moto grab bar into a Ford Transit cargo van. First thing you want to do is remove this black cover, and then you want to take the supplied 15mm self-tapping bolt and you want to start it in this lower stud. Back it back out. Now you're ready to install the grab bar. Okay, so now we're ready to install the grab bar. So you're going to take your T50 bolt supplied, and you're going to just start it here in the top, and you're going to take the lower 15mm that we tapped for earlier and just start it. And you're going to take your T50 Torx bit, just get it started, and then take your 15mm, just start it, snug them up, and then come back and you can torque them if you'd like. There you go. Install's done and you're ready to use it. Okay, we finished the install, and there's the driver's side Moto grab bar installed and the passenger side installed. Takes about 5 minutes to do both. There's also a place to put your helmet while you're taking a break from riding, or a place to also put an extra bungee cord right there, or hang a jacket, hat, whatever you want. Thanks for watching.